Hey guys, so you'll remember about the post that I made about the dogs that were allegedly switched that were about to be sent to the States. Well, that post garnered a lot of attention, and it made a lot of people talking, and it gave their own opinions, and actually it opened a lot of wounds. Probably they have the same experience dealing with the Far East. Well, while the internet was yapping about it, my sources told me that the two sides are trying to work out a deal. At the end of the day, they have invested a lot of time, they have sent in the money, and as you all know, we don't really do refunds in the bully world. As harsh as it may seem, but that's how things are done in the bully world. So, the breeder got the dogs back from the shipper. Then he sent them to the kennel and did his magic, or tender loving care. Then they sent me the video wherein the dogs are looking like more of the dogs that were posted for sale. In my own set of eyes, I think they were the same dogs. And I hope that this deal pushes through and this chapter will be closed and we can all get along. What are your thoughts?